The trial for Ron Repak, the former executive director of the Johnstown Redevelopment Authority, was scheduled to begin this morning in federal court in downtown Johnstown, but there has been a delay. Maria Miller has been in court all morning. She's here with the latest. Maria?
Well, Tim, as you said, it's been slow moving here this morning. Not much has happened, and quite frankly, we're in the dark about what's going on right now. We seem to be in a lunch recess. The jury has been released until what we believe is about 1 o'clock. But the trial was supposed to begin at 9 o'clock this morning. There was, as you said, some delay. Repak, who's not in jail, moved freely around the courtroom, speaking with several people, presumably his family and friends who were there on his behalf. But the jury wasn't brought in until about 9:30, and they were only given opening instructions. They haven't yet heard anything about the case except for the charges and what they encompass. Those charges stem from 2009, alleging wrongdoing by Repak during his role as the executive director of the Johnstown Redevelopment Authority. He's allegedly accused of taking gifts and bribes from contractors in exchange for bids and work with the city. The jury, though, as I said, they recessed about 10:15 this morning for what was supposed to be a 20-minute break. It's been well over an hour since then, and through that time, we were standing out in the hallway. We saw several times Repak speaking with his attorneys, going behind closed doors, speaking with federal prosecutors. Repak himself on several occasions talking with his son, who's an Altoona-based attorney with ties to the city of Johnstown, where he's currently serving as the solicitor for the city codes department. It's not sure what they were talking about or if he was even offering his father any legal advice. Again, that recess was supposed to be 20 minutes. We now know that the jury has gone back to lunch. We expect to go back inside the courtroom at 1 o'clock. Again, though, it's not clear what's happening behind closed doors. If there's any talk of a plea, we do hope to learn more after lunch. But if this trial resumes, if it continues as scheduled, the judge said he expects it to last through at least mid-next week. Reporting live in Johnstown, Maria Miller, 6 News.